What is up, guys? It is late. I believe this is Thursday, so it's a day behind on videos, and I haven't posted a video for a couple weeks. Just been completely swamped as far as work goes. I've worked 15-hour days all of last week, and I'll work one again tomorrow, and then a half day on Saturday, and then Sunday I'll probably catch up on some billing and all that kind of stuff. Been doing some handrails. He wanted the original tops because they were true to the house, so I have these ones sitting over here, and then I have a couple sitting over on the side of the shop that are done. I'm leaving here 6 a.m. tomorrow to go install those. Just been completely busy, swamped, and I haven't been posting videos because I want to keep the quality of the content higher. So I've been trying to work on editing videos. I'm just behind. But we are up over 700 subscribers now, so that's cool. Thank you very much. We're not quite halfway through the year yet, which it's already crazy to think we're that far. We're in the second quarter already. And we only need 300 more subscribers to go to hit our goal of 1,000. So hit that subscribe button. Keep watching the videos. I appreciate it. We got some good talks coming up. I've reached out to a couple people about doing like the podcast thing we talked about, and it sounds like they're good to go. It's just we got to line up with everyone's busy schedules. But yeah, it's crazy. I think I've had almost 20 calls just this week for jobs, whether it's handrails, heavy equipment repair, trailer ramps, you name it. So yeah, it's just been so busy. But anyways, I just wanted to say thank you. We hit 700 subscribers. Thanks to everyone who's watching. And remember, my favorite comment will get a free sticker. You can tell I'm tired. My favorite comment will get a free sticker. I've picked comments for the other ones. I think the video I'm editing, I have them. I'm gonna update everyone and get those sent out to you. So, I'll see you on the next video, guys. As always, thank you. Remember, if you're not burning, you're not learning.